Ebusiafo ne adofo ye ba munyina akwa abakese eba HITV so me home ache metemo ka ache mo so mete me ka ache ma fe munyina bebi bia wo bia ho nche akese pa na be de ma sabre mo so for HRFPK ene metegwam first of all edi kan me de aseda kese be ma yenwa ba ejewa oba ye ejewa se otimi tena egwam ma me mra me kwa ho amugye mu kakra sabre ni ya badedende se obi empabwa ase no nti na me de ho nche kese pa na ma munyina de munyina ase me de munyina ase se ma join me sra so afi so no join ya na wa send a link no ama wunia ye live ewo HITV Facebook it's also live for Tatap Send Ghana Facebook live ewo HITV YouTube as well. And you know, so as soon as Zoom is also very much live and kicking into but modern journey and also eka ho. Sabre yebeko ne akwa je aboafo a omoso ayesene di dwumedi ebramo ase na afedie ye di dwumedi na ahyehye so. Nye di kan feel good homes da feel good homes ase bebre ewo memoa ne ase da omde aba dwumedi no so aso ne da feel good services so ase ye beda happy glow gh so ase say omo aso dwumedi mu near da Oswald Wellness LLC so ase so aso ene da yang say you about Millicent so ase say what me I support dwumedi from day one up to now. Na me chew say me neso so ne about Millicent ba be din enkomo na bibia akoso kaba ne dimu akotene pa na se pe mu no ankasa ene ye Tatap Send adarema ene dijumedi bra nti se afi na wo hwe na se wansa un download the app na mesro download the app no o download the app ni hwia na wasasa the promo code na PK P-KAY no when you $15 on your first transaction. Mr. Makadeda Mesake biom so wotimi SNE sika even $50 an app crapple with my promo code na send me screenshots baby I will be a metal emojis me bottle back kwama na also so wotimi edi atwa wanum spedede yada mo nyina ase sabre ye bekma producer abo bibi quick one am na ye wi afide baby Tatap Send ye bekọ tata sala kache na afide bibi a wo bi amde amaye me sa so ka wo biom se misraw onyan send link na share link na amo bia me da producers directors na ase so omotra fidie chi ema dwumedi ekọ kama nana lord na akusi wise that asaso na producers at large A class ana Danny director Danny se bibia ekọ so kama enche so ye be ye section ya ye be ni yenuanom a friend saying Uncle Jimmy any the reps and ambassadors from Tatap Send e be dwumedi friend Tatap Send Q&A which is the question and answers now issues no concerns be I want to be so abaswa Memphis so transfer for questions ni na hye obotom ni wi ye be yi ni nyina no amam kama ye be twa yam kakra aba
yankutuna nasio nyameno no yanana sia wa mayatamfo atishoko hey tiawa ne de no no wayama na yamenwanwa hey wayama na timwa atamfo atishoko Ghana for me the unbreakable joy is blessing oh she HRETV koso ana she na be yinshira unbreakable keep it locked.
Check the statistics. What from beaucoup d'État on my big six. We remove all the girls, logistics. You want here top speed, Olympics. Yo, what up, people? It's your boy Natalie, and I'm watching HRETV, man. Keep it locked. Badman operator.
Hello, guys. It's your girl Pamela Odame Watara, and I just want to recommend HRETV for you guys for all your latest interviews. Just stay tuned at HRETV. I love you all guys.
Hello, ladies and gentlemen. You are watching me live on HRE TV. HR, His Royal Majesty. Oh my goodness, I love the name of this TV. HRE TV. Oh my goodness. Just catch us live on YouTube. Just go there, HRE TV, and click subscribe, and then get update on everything that they put there, and then watch them also live on Facebook. When you hear the name HRTV, you are talking about television that comes from the heart. Oh, HRTV. Oh, Makuma Tommy Mwati. Me that one say.
Good morning, children. A B C D E F G H R E H R E T V. Go and watch HRE TV. Bye bye.
I was at war, your friend Calibos, the only boss with what is. Do you know about Tap Send? Unima Major. Tap Send is one of the easiest, convenient, reliable money transfer app you can get. You can download Tap Send on Google Play Store or App Store. We download it and then you register. Register and you are good to go to send money across every place, many countries in the world. Tap Send. I wouldn't like that.
All right. Ebusha for yeda bunyina ase ebiom misasubo bibia akwaba biom eba dwumede so we a time with Tap Send dwumede a twada enwumre bia no nsia pepepe US Eastern Time yede ebramo ewo mabobo ano obi atasim se pk we've missed you. I've missed you guys too papa ma femu nyina papa na mo bo dwumede na oba ya ne mo bo dwumede na meteche na mehwe enti dwumede na I was still there with you guys in spirit and in person. Sabre so I'm kind of 3 different segments, right? First segment, you be kwa Tap Send akache ni akokutie good news ewo honom na afedi ye de dwumede no atwa so ye wi na abdi aba your presentation for today with your resource personnel. And the topic, basically the importance of having life insurance and also creating generational wealth. Not just say when you papa and on your Millicent Owusu Mensah and a bit Now the third segment will be with Uncle Jimmy and the team, which is the Tap Send ambassadors, to talk about any issues or concerns that you have concerning Tap Send and and one. Now Miss Asu, we are before you did me baby we and you now see the topic for next week. Now the so Abraham Sabre you better go to director Daniel ya makwaba eba dwumede so.
Yeah, became me also. I hope say BBI you okay there.
See the one what's say?
They say the why it fit.
Oh yeah, so said the nyame adoma ho de wo ho no bibia aboko. Now, at the end, of course, what Tap Send any news updates in terms of the wallet, and I say be a new we feel a be a yenyenty.
Yeah, and then yeah, updates in a very quick one. I mean, I'm so for some time now, yeah, announcement, wallet. Inti, nyame charge the wallet na abedru. Piloting, I think say ambassadors and reps and the baby na I started until almost start to use it. Until very soon it will get to everybody. We are almost there. Until we are ready, and it's a game changer. I mean, it solves a lot of problems. And as a walk across, so between the tehona jaude, or the train, the costura jawa bogum. I say susu box no. We are what to tune where you seeker. Into wallet and the adrewi. So Easter, and so it's just around the corner. So we are planning to bring you lots of fun and promos. Into and so more watch it. Into ebe drop very soon. Into not just a PK update and then I think say for some time now the family has been growing good. And then more so no betimi I invite mo mabusuafo na obia so abe join na aside to say before no. I mean we need to grow. So I hope everybody on here will contribute to the growth. Tina PK kakra me work I will tap so no.
And to Easter, now what should we expect during Easter? Is there going to be a bonanza? Yeah.
There's actually gonna be something special, and I'll keep it as secret. Kakra said we have better no man.
Oh no, yeah, person who say BB or at least.
Oh yeah, of course. It's yeah, you expect something big.
What it is now? They say they do one man
what I say. But obviously something is coming. Yeah. Cookie something in the kitchen. Boom. Nah. Obi any so stay logged with us. Tap your best money transfer.
All right. Yeah, that was it. Director Kasadwaka very soon. The Bunka Stock Academy will be in a chorister be now or club and you Saturday, you Sunday or sorry them. And I saw for Ebema, Quanzo Mabijana, no Mabeton, like I say, very soon or car very soon will be a kind of not if some family and your national go pop champagne and a badomo. Interno very soon, Taka as one Casanto, so I'll posse near the Yom air to us. It was for you very soon. There will be some good news coming your way from Tatapsen into yen for your interest. Director Yadawase with the update from Tatapsen Akache. Sabre Yebeko na yeni yenyaba Millicent Owusu Mensah atwetwe nkɔmmɔ and then your hobby no or their mind. Yenyaba Millicent, one point to say.
Nyamiadom. Yeah.
Nice one. Hey, books are working kind pa no and then you have never be catch there. Okay, we are also ready. Mr. Nyawobia, I was here to me etias here concerning say ye be per life insurance and now say bia ye bet me a criti some avenue be ama ye boost your force so it may di again. I like the word generational wealth, not just a near ne young kwa be diban ye be di maybe a kama I want to atwaso no so I'm bet so. Mr. Producer, so now message in say young cabro for now me who now they switch but listen to the ye dim so no do be call brofo cry straight to cry into no. Yeah, Mr. The floor is yours. For you going through the presentation, now video, you will be no. Yeah, the questions now bad. It was from Mr. Farmer questions in this one, but I'm gonna get you ready with all your questions. No, we'll be reading some of your questions and also actually all the questions and also we'll be giving room for people to unmute themselves to also ask questions as well.
All right. Good evening. Because let's try some mix it, but it's
no, that's perfect. That's perfect.
Yeah. So I mean, we just have fun about it and then move on. All right. And then Rebecca, first of all, I just want to say thank you for giving me the opportunity to speak with your folks today. And you'll be able to make my chance, sometimes it looks like it's just a program, but you don't know the life that it saves. And we'll get to know more about that as we go on. Unlocking financial wisdom. Most of the time, when it comes to financial, most of us are not being taught. I mean, uko school kra mama school baby na. Enya dia ye chere wo say bia ukiteska invest in this area bia bema wo say eno ani say nurse na wo koya that line say doctor na wo koya eno krampo no agro bi wo mo ansa na obedru clinicals and all that before obedru enim ho no nyama bebre wo krom ho we are not being taught and I nim pennyfo need to make us say depend when you come to acquaint you more the person that you meet and I baby also make an impact in your life. As some these are the companies that 1 second. These are the companies yedi omo sa ejuma we. Let me 1 second, let me make sure I'm starting from all the way up there. 1 second, I think I have. I've started from the beginning. Just a second to ensure. Say, all right, we're starting from the beginning. Baby, overtna ewo kromo ha make impact. If I just my resume back and you guys, if you are seeing the screen, let me know.
Yeah, we can see the screen, but we don't see you.
You don't see me? Do you see me now?
Did you just share the PowerPoint and also share with the PowerPoint on the side?
I just shared the PowerPoint. Okay, let me pause and then share again. Okay. Okay. Me patromo whom is to say. Who screen is the sound homie?
There be a whole screen and
Oh. Okay, let's
oh, that twaso.
Yeah, let's go. Okay. So these are the we call it the power of choice. Companies are yedi omo eye juma. the companies bebree yɛ adwuma ebi mo wɔ hɔ a mo ate ɔmo din da anaasɛ beebi a 401k ɛfa ebi a wate din ebi wɔ hɔ koraa wonti din but most of the time wonti bi koraa deɛ a nationwide deɛ ɛyɛ common company bi a obi ate ne nka. I mean ɔmo yɛ commercials ne adeɛ a you get to hear about nationwide. Most of the time I say yeah can be fa life insurance any disability ho ewo krom ha obi to me catch so with disability insurance me yare ne na me call aban ho aban be to me ahwe me because ebia me citizen na me green card ana me authorization be to me ahwe me but ade a ye nim ne say disability insurance ewo limitation. They will give you a limit as to sky what's a what account mo. Omoka say you can have up to $2,000 say what's a account. So or more than $2,000 at our account more. Then you have to do what they call Medicaid spend down. It will be spending down, which my other job I mean, that is what we do. We have to spend down sikana edema client, you know, before AB or be qualify for some disability or they have what they call 5 years look back or mobile say okay so we say we hear more funny say oh critical chronic illness be what yeah be say sa simesi way within the 5 years period no or was sika bi a on spending ye and say or this sika bi ekofie because omunimo ye and now this sika bi investment bi wo baby a ye better say wo be spending sa sika ni nyina wie bibi e da wodi mu a less than $2,000 and sana ye betumi ama wo sa emwa na wo need no. But there is a way so a ye can life insurance with living benefit ho yeah community most of the time people think say oh if you have life insurance it's attached to death, which yes can wo but enye ni nyina na ka wo enye say this obi ewu na say ye community mu na say ye obi kasa oh to me catch say sister me pese me yere beku me me pese me kunu beku me. Why? Because they don't have the broad knowledge of life insurance in general. Say you was knowledge now it me and we'll talk more about that. Your insurance be what even though no to me no, I don't think say they should even call it life insurance. But said you know they have say obi wa critical illness, they say stroke, heart attack, cancer, end stage renal failure, I be or dialysis and any other critical illness. That person can get up to 90% of their face amount whilst they are still alive. And yes, say, oh, this is asimesi wu sana obenya ho mfaso obi a oda so ti ase no menim say obi baby sa question say then a face amount face amount say we sign insurance amount na we sign no for no ebia we sign for 500,000 200,000 that as amount now we sign say na then I'll be paying premium on that no and only a friend of face amount. Say obi so chronic illness or they cannot perform 2 of the 6 daily activity living. Nurse form or to me 6 activity living, you know. Say to me one kasa you cannot bathe yourself, you cannot transfer yourself from one end to the other. And yes, I will drive it, but free from your bed to the toilet. You can that is also a transfer. So to me, yes, I did. And now want to mean brush you say I mean want to mean yes, you can also get up to 90% of your face amount whilst you are still alive. When him so babies, I said now the 90% them our 10% in the ebekohi. Yempesa o sika ni nyina be shinti no 10% ne better so ada account no mu send e be ya say wunni hɔ bi ma ye de be ma nipa a wasan say yemfa ma no. A true question where it's really difficult in our community. I mean, believe it or not. Yebisa obi, I mean, randomly we have we ask people how many years they have been here. Obi Beka say 15 years, 20 years, even 40 years, 50 years, na omo keka eko. But the next question I will be sa womo. How many years ebi why edwuma wa ha? Wonim said that oba ya edwuma no, I mean you'll be working. Omo keka 4 years, 5 years as the years na nipa na tena ha no beka achiro. But the next question it was what will be said, then people just pause. Then I say, hey, maybe some more. If you also have thought about it, how many days forward could you survive if God forbid something happens to you and you still have to continue to pay your bills? You still have to continue to do the things that you are doing because as at this moment, the clock doesn't work around you. And stop on my say, hey, and now we are in no clock not stop. Then we keep moving. It doesn't work that way. We keep going. And the bills be our say you still have to pay those bills. Ye be such a question where ye nyam why na ye de. Despite ni awo ye say we be adwuma wo kromo ha say we IT say we doctor say we wine. Yes, obi to me catch say oh send me wo insurance we wo ho edwuma be but say edwuma na wo kono na ebo wo ho ban no what if say edwuma no wuntumi nko bi na wo yare sesi a eden na ebeto ne yaka ade a etumi replace wo income ewo ha life insurance depending on the right one that you have ye wo mu bebre eno na ye nima ebi wo wa wo de your community ne kokasa obeka akire wo say eh me mpese mewu sister mu beka de we are now owu didiri echi. I mean that is what we mostly we hear about when we go around talking in our community. Estate and probate courts. I mean, you can't estate. I doing course real estate. I know it's a PK program had been blessing us with some real estate information. Ghana near there, but we are not talking about the real estate here. Estate is a form of bills. What does it here? We call it bills. Your electric bills, your water bill, even your car insurance, they are all bills. But the moment you drop that, no, Edinis is from bills to estate. And Obi baby say, why the probate court? The moment someone dies, no, all your account will be frozen. Your account, I'm dealing with one of our individuals who are first time. I mean, we just have it from Attorney General office. Hey, we need all the funds to come in now. Bibi wo ho a wontua ya yi scan no aka no fabra ye pese ye hu. So in reality no ebia yate but first at hand no me I just experienced one. Omo pese omo hu account bia even saka 1 cent cry ya sign obi wo ho a I mean I never knew say I know say we have Attorney General but I never knew say the counties that we have as its own Attorney General, you know. I just got to find out myself because I was thinking, say, every state has its own Attorney General, then we have the, broad Attorney General. But every county I will want one Attorney General. So this is where your information goes. Say, as soon as you obium, and then the bank information, what I was scanning, for scanning in Abra, the say, BB Wawa, it was say, obtaining why the probate court system comes in. They're making sure say your checking account, your savings account, your 401k, IRA, Roth IRA, stocks, Bitcoin, they will freeze this account. I don't know move freeze the account no because some person will making sure say won't be car will be bia penny for never could be me say in the community that was in Chicago say mommy na samewua how is my burial going to be? Who is going to pay for everything? And yeah, me sika na ma jano hono na ye de be pay nyama no. Ela me say that they you say waje bia ewo obani din mu dia ene obani din mu ne ye be yiska na ye sa nyama no but ewo wa wudin mu anasa wo de wo spouse wo ba anybody bia account abomwa ebia within the biano all this account will be frozen. It was say a corporate court. So with the student loan ye be tie free mu. Even with light bill na we free or crown ye was see ye twa. So wohwɛ mu krom ha year ni dro year ni endi ansa na ye file taxes, which is January, February all the way to April before you file tax. Nti yemfa ne say asimesi bi within the year. No yemfa ne say in June. Yemfa Mr. Smith who in the month of June. Can we say from January to June Mr. Smith in pay tax. Nti no sika no odeka no they will go back. Ebekwa kwatete ye free mu ansa na say bi ka ye de bema ebusuafo no. Probate court system. Michia will be last year.
Millicent.
Is it? Yes.
Internet is okay. Like the panel de ebia car na say a car bi or bia no it will apply to it first. And so
Yes.
okay, got you.
Yes. Bibia even empana ne pane da so hospital no wu ye kra no. Ye better can free mu. Enti na all along your assumption is say semi-decanomy that was one of the questions. I think tutu kwan will be beside. Because we are then we are done. Abane fakano. I'm say kano de koma wine. One or kwacha mano. Se wunni bi wo ho a wunni bi wo ho. That is fine. But se wo sike bia wo ho a or back abehwe say or betiti bi efri mu. Se bi ka na ye be frɛ busuafo na ka kyerɛ mu so ebia Mr. Smith sika no ye hospital bill na efri mu ye we nti ne aka ni o. And the probate court system start from 2 months, 3 months. Michia will be ni kunu ewu about 7 years ago. Still no mu we probate court.
Wow.
Yeah. And yen na ye use Cash App. I mean, I know a lot of people know about Cash App. The owner of Cash App passed away a couple of years ago. I think 2 years or so. He only saw information we. Inti na all ye adwuma nyina no de o living a life as me ne wo a ya ba kromo ha ye bi adwuma ye adwuma ye save ye sika but no nim se bibi wo ho e betumi abɔ ne ho ban se na bibi tu na ebusua ne mre na oni saa idea no inti no ye de ne koto go find me, and this is what we are trying to avoid ye community no more. The only 2 places are into me, buying into me, and finansa and kawusika index annuity and life insurance. Index annuity is a type of retirement account as well. These are the only 2 places are buying the unco probate court system. It is a BB say unco probate court system. Life insurance. What types of life insurance? We have the group life, which called edumemu, term life. Mistake edumemu like more big companies. BB to say Walmart to say the insurance to amount for so big companies they will be term life, whole life, and then the universal life, which is the family miracle. Okay, group life. Most of the time it is free from your employer. Say we have full-time or part-time employees get it through the employers. Disadvantage is a woman they say the coverage ends when you leave your job. So when you are out until bibi ambo ho ban bi ombebo ho ka because paid only upon death, mostly at work. That means say it was say we adwuma mu obi beka say na ma clocking in what clocking in? Yemfa say Mr. Smith abeduma. What clocking in? All right. Nitiya ne ya see me call hospital aba okoya wakuwu ho. Wenwu adwuma mu ho. Enti no enkoba no. Ana say or clocking in and mitiya me ya wa for ambulance. Ambulance abefa no ko. Wenwu adwuma mu ho. O ambulance mo. Enti no enkoba no. So there is no benefit whilst the client is still alive. Unye bibia free mu. Na se o yare ana se ya lay off ana se you are retired and so no only 0.9% payout probability. It is deceptive. It is not even considered life insurance traditionally. And most people know they say, oh, me dwuma mu ho no me want insurance cover me. but one could be some year. The more will be some someone, and I'll be say, hey, Sadia no meaning I'm okwa. And mommy who buy, and I say, be penny a bomb who buy na ebusiane. Because idea, make us a yamani be wa, ye walk, we send a make a chino. Your one who money soon to yen to me ain't canning in I mean, what
Sir,
the year,
say we are over job number man now I'm on for contact too. Now
yes,
want to go into details so they can reach out, right?
yeah, yeah.
Okay.
Okay, term life. When are your community no ututu kwan na de omukasa bebre will be. Eno eyefo. Me kai say years ago me ba krom first time about Ohio me ye adwuma ye free Chicago. Be account wo right parts and I yetro me say eh wobetumi my insurance say me fi say my yadia me busua na abro so say me ni agye me ba fi me ma me oni mu say eh be ba na yade ha wa boy ho ban bibi because wonni mu me twa me ko bi se mu ayi no say ma change my account ma change nyama ma ware ne no oh ye yi me free okra da boy ho ban bi. It is very cheap, and you see the ads on TV, banks, auto places. Disadvantages. It is temporary. Obian inside there, yeah, temporary, biana, and yeah, permanent. Until ubanyano for 10, 15, 20, or 30 years. And no interest say, and yet, ufreya, you bet you, me, mammy, ewo we bi. Ukwe ni munso a, ebi ba kubi nso, or no so, me will be wo, esande man. He only paid upon death. This a woo. Until wu nipa ni wu ya onya ho mfaso. No benefit to client was the client is alive. Premium will increase when policy terms. Meaning it says utria yes, let's say so utria $100. Now what policy no for 20 years. So 20 years need draw because any permanent and I will say we renew. Into who renew I bet you 3 times the amount. Lapse if payment is missed. We see payment in India. We need grace period be and it doesn't even generate or accumulate cash for you. No, what the year one or why you bet you how we insurance Libya who accumulate ska edema wa ankasa gambling by betting against your life. So we say it is temporary. Now, young friend say what top policy way for 15 years. Was a woo within that period, no, and sana ubenya sa benefit na ebebo ban no. And just say we are you are not getting anything out of it. You are gambling with your life. Most companies end coverage at age 65. Only 2% payout, 98% entry. Into 98% na entry ma wo mu eyo nkofo a yemfa ne say wa ti say sene ameka say me year bi amasesa account information no embo me ho ban ana say ebia nipa na nyini wa move ebia wa move to bukro mu ana say to another place bebre wo ha entwia the 2% a entwia ma sudden death like plane crash, car accident and entwia etumi twia amount. All life insurance ekwa kosi age 100 ebi nipa no ebo no ho ban kosi se nipa ne bedi 100 years. Premium scanner obetua towards insurance we remain the same. Cash accumulation maybe depending on which one into depending you participating and non-participating. Disadvantages are more expensive and wunya all the clients need that suit here say wunya benefit be in free. Empo say wunya benefit be a free more. And yes, wunya benefit cry in free more. Nyama bi wo ho a te say sikasama a wo benye bi ayesa wo diska to baby a sika no aguso ye edwuma ma wo no they be enye edwuma ma wo na say etumi ye edwuma kora na company ne na ebefa mfaso na ebeba so no na omode ni awo assign no say bia assign for 200 500,000 ye de no ama ebusua no. Index universal life when you friend the family miracle ebia omo ye mpanifo na ye ka elite elite me hu sane amesi just a pikin na boy elite no e wo twibo The
A
elite.
little I more or less like a cratch for any or more most and their question. And I say businessmen and women are they have made it in a certain class of in life, no.
Yeah. Ɛno na ɔmo kurom ha no ɔmo wɔ bi. Ɛnɛ wokɔ me kai sɛ me wie me bachelors na I think say one of the professors no dey di komo na ɔsi mo be wie mo bachelors ha mo kɔyɛ mo masters. Ɛbɛka loan na mo betwia no. Ɛwɔ na mo bedwene ho. Ɛna me si ampo. And then one of the my colleague was saying, no, maybe me ni loan be a me kutwa. I'm coming to me say na America one no ni loan. I know girl ni chirem or chirem na manti ase until say me starti edwuma we. And also you ne nana aye insurance amom nti onana ne wu a onana na wu nti sika no ye de twa omo fees no. O ma me nso be ya mo no ne ma. Enti no hwese say abusua no mu ndi hia da. Me ni ko school no me twa student no no ni bi obetwa. Or sika da hɔ ɔnya scholarship ne adeɛ koraa na ɔde kɔto sika ne kɔto baabi ayɛ adwuma ama no enti na yɛn yɛba ha na saa nyama wei ni yɛnim because yɛdwene sɛ na wei deɛ yɛsusu bi wo kɔto wo bɛbrɛ me but system no ɔmo a ɔmo yɛ elite no abuilde ama nea ɛbɛboa wɔn disadvantages is what the index universal life no ho pɛ ɛyɛ sɛ you only have to pass health physicals and it sounds too good to be true. Ɛno nti na emre bebree no yɛsɛ we die aden na we nko ade we pɛ na ɛwɔ ho aden na wo nso wo nkɔtran hwɛ ayɛ te sɛ wo ba ha ya ka kyerɛ wo sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ wonya car insurance wakɔtɔ car obi ani wa yɛ bisa na any question aden nti na me sɛ me nje life car insurance because wodim sɛ wankɔgye a police best stop wo benya asɛm ana sɛ wo de car ne kɔbɔ obi die mu a asɛm bɛba nti no Uji kana the first thing who the car insurance. Bisa obi ahwe. Inti bisa on sa denti na de we wo ho a. Yen kan kire ye se uba ha uji we a gina fa ba ho ban. Na se bibi tu a we busua enko hia mu ana se wo nko go find me. The elites understand more. Anthony Yaka says if you want to hide information from the public, no, put it in a book. Enti no yenim say yen bekenkan ye kɔ adwuma ba ya bre time na ebi we ne ye de kɔkenkan ade enti ye de behyɛ mu ama wo nkɔkan ɔno a ne ba ne te hɔ no a ɔno a ɔwɔ saa knowledge no ɔbɛkɔ akɔkan no de aboa ebusua no. It is a family miracle and it has 62 benefits. Yentumi go over benefits no bebree because of time but opese wo hu ne ɛkɔ benefits na ebetumi ne wo aye one-on-one. And this is one of the books opese wo hu se wo ha na we bie adwuma wo kurom ha find ni agro meka se nya ade a wo de bedi agro. Bank of America the sika da ha bisa se wo de sika kwato Bank of America but ono nso so yi ni sika na no de abeto ha. West Fargo the sika da ha. JP Morgan, the sika da ha. So person who say at some obehu book no I think it's about $11 or $12 Amazon. It me to book we money worth life insurance. Ebema when ye be even look at $1 cry and you'll be the catch said to me can afa kwato. Bisa hu say make us say wo adwuma wo kromo ha. Say Bank of America wo nye nipa or bank but nipa na bi account no. Enti no nyama bebree wo ho a we bie adwuma wo ha wonni mu a na waka officer we say me call me invest wo Ghana yes it is good ye nyina ho na ye free ye nim da ye beka say ye ma ye bag so ye nko se ne anyama se ekoi enti we say invest wo but baby wo ho nso a de scan to a uti wo kuro mu nyina na ye adwuma e de ma wo hwe AT&T bisa ho say AT&T oye nipa onye nipa but ne sika da ha stories ne there you can go on and on. Disney bisa once say Disney yes so big who read the book where obehu baby onya ne sika free or invest here from the beginning o yi be free mo a wentwe mu kapre ene odi e building no ho. All right, I mean these are all the companies I may be omuden. I know say none of us are allergic to money. I mean, nobody, no matter what your allergies are, no, it has nothing to do with money right now. But one thing I say I me share see no ye kano yem protect ye sika yem protect ye ho e wo nyoma bebre ho e wo kroma because obi because say ye young guy bi ne ye policy bi ma young guy no na mani agye ama no because me hwɛ me ba age ene me ba ne kyɛn kakra na me hu ne me ba no ne awaye na akra no nso start from the early age more na me hwɛ akra na was so happy say na akra na wofo bi no utu sikewu but yes obu befu nipa no because on tiasie me share the age akra no be di sakra no ya 30 years sesia sika akra no be puli di aba any sakra no itu susu a obehu say sika no e money sa you can see the both difference say for the same sika no 2 or 4 10 years now for the same sika we invest wa 10 years na hwe sika wo be puli di aba no ni nyoma bebra ye ni hu knowledge ewo chromo a second part maybe 2 slides bi na me de wie make millions and join the hall of fame edwuma na ye no se wo pese wo join a yes ye won crofo o ma making millions depending on how wo pese wo ye obi wo ho a obetumi aye no full time obi wo ho obetumi aye no part time obi wo ho nso a obetumi aye no spare time depending on send your obesi di wo ahye wadwuma mu no that is how you going to get it obi baby say what share will be a what share millionaires that yes me share bebre the bebre nanti and I know that I've seen them me hu adwuma omo ye and PK so embeji obi ntumu say ombra the platform so a onni mu no ana say onim say asemasi we question mark bi wo no ho enti no mema na aba the platform so no we have met those people so we journey adwuma na we get paid 9 times a month as long as you are putting in your work you get paid every Tuesdays and every Friday you get paid you get other
like
you
twice a
can
week.
yeah, twice a week.
Now, what
yeah.
kind 9 times a month? I was thinking about it. So how is that possible? But I got it.
Yeah. Ownership, book of business. So who can your team no now ye juma where you are owning your own business. So who own business and so opportunities bebre wo at the mouth and also so no we hear more information ye ko echirewa ye be can leave of absence. I mean me who are there where na I sign ye mystery because me cheche mienu ne mienza enti no obi ba edwuma mu na osi me tu kwan me to me fro bi ewo we tu kwan akọ ebia enye Ghana but me de nkofo bebre ye edwuma am afraid me sira wa say wote so na bra because one ba me de edwuma ne be ma obi na enye se won pese nipa ne be enjoy but o bo edwuma no ho ban so ama no adenti na was say nipa waye edwuma adru baby wa pese ukoji weni na ye the restrictions at all so it shouldn't be but because of say yen ni ya ye edwuma ye no ye edwuma ma obi nti no de bia na ye the restrictions at all bi so ye bo edwuma ho no ban fine all right but nipa ne so was say ye dwene no but e wo kromo ha no you can eat your cake and have it you know but wo ye edwuma ma wa wo ho a free ha wako opa waba open so a oda so ti na ye edwuma ma.
Okay.
Business inheritance and wealth transfer the most great thing say we doctor ni e wo kromo a untimi nka say ene bibia ye minti ne me mana mekita no mo beto edwuma no so mam mo so mo ye doctor for there be this ono so e doctor right and I say we dru baby a we dru no but we ye edwuma we a obetumi se wuntumi nye edwuma ni biom a obetumi de a transfer ama wo ma nem fan say I remember last year you called Vegas one of the youngest guy at work business no mo or papa and papa ne wu and ya transfer wealth ni nyina now is like 33 million ya transfer wealth ni nyina ama no or ye edwuma no ono ntumi nya parents ne be ya na ne mba ne bi be ye se wo mpese wo be ye biom nso se media mabre me nya edwuma ne biom a company ne be maintain ama ono beton business na ma ne ye de osika ama Into won't lose sushi, but yeah, obi wa bi edwuma won't mean for money neba because ebia oni sa degree na the banner to me the but where they obey to me you also get a chance to go on free vacations. Maybe I who say me your Facebook person, you know. I mean, I try to hide myself from stuff, but mostly no, you call different places, you trap pictures near there or your platform. So I will be who say vacations, they flow and they flow. But more yeah, social media, need or more posti yama bebre cross border transaction. Oh ha na say unimo bi wo Canada obetumi de na ye adwuma wo Canada Canadians nso betumi aye adwuma e wo US, so vice versa you can work with people in the Canada and they can also work
Just Canada, right?
just Canada, yes, just Canada.
Because Obi Busa question earlier, I was gonna get to it when we get to the questions, but I think so. Mami Poko Krampa responded. Obi responded to Nipa no concerning say if you can get insurance for family members in Ghana.
Oh, the Ghana. Africa. What does it take to join us? You have to have a clear background check, and you'll be a yachiwatumuda. Because can we say ukita nipa information and all that into omuye security background check they are very tight, and you'll be a sebi odika kra na yachiwatumu sa nyamane de omumpe pasabasa life. And you have to obtain an ID for business ID for only 125. One thing na me drew on me say ya tuition sign be one credit ni I remember $400 na shibi sa na wo betwia we, and this 125 no e be change your life. I make it obi a millionaire. There is one of the guys one of our colleagues edwuma o free Cameroon maaye onimu hwi wo kromo a eno be introduce business we kire no obora mu and then body rose rest na ekọ school obora adwuma we mu enya ade a obi see we you see it, you see them, you talk to them daily. Bibia ya transparent ewo adwuma we mu, and you only obtain a course for $30. So we bet me aye in term dia course no actually na $199. But you don't say, hey, within a month, no, wait to me. Ashia dear no akotra, and ya dear ye did say, me cast a bibia, or person what you would do any so I'll be to me. As busy as I am, the 2 days Spanish, yes, I dear no echo ye because now will be best many my word pescite no. I did that, and then you obtain a license by your resident state. In Tikamusa, adia ye license, Nadia, Ubin to me could diagro and then ya dear yentro because state crowd one young funny said me waha my recruit will be Texas. Oshia the anyway wa bekwa cultural exams no what Texas. That Texas foreman on the license. It's state crowd will be
So what is the name of the license number now? Like state license?
A life insurance license.
Life insurance license, okay.
Yes. By Department of Life Insurance. I was state of more.
Okay.
Yeah, and Obia state there a little different. So yeah, but we'll walk you through. I mean, there is always somebody available to talk to you. All right. Okay. Thank you so much for giving me the opportunity.
About number no they are also 937-270-9882. 937-321-2270. And whilst we are talking with her, use the lower third will be down, so you get to see the number and so what. So that was fair now. I feel the only no Sabre, me. There you go, perfect. So what we're gonna do is say no questions not quite two folds. Okay. I the life insurance part, and also the people wanting to create generational wealth or be part of the business. No, so let's treat the life insurance part, and also again, if you have a question about generational wealth partner, not being part of the company, you can also bring your question as well. But I saw a couple hands that went up. People had questions to ask. Erica Noche, Anna. Yes, Erica Noche for now. Eric. before you be for Eric, you better read some comments in the first. We are near for Eric, never so the idea about Benito, Benford, Nana, Benito. I say greetings to everyone. Benito, baby, Biara Wobia, you don't check a partner the mouth. Kenneth to say if you're in the US, can you? I think I don't need an answer on the Kenneth. The question was answered by Mami Pokwa, and of course only USA and Canada, and I think so you hit on that. Also, Barry Made, your WhatsApp chat room NATO. So please, if you want to be part of the HRETV WhatsApp chat room now, where we discuss topics, you're discussing what I'm saying there. Like I said, there was a very great poll whereby topic you've been treated this week. We did a poll and there was a topic that we best make a topic in this year. What show but to make trying before we end the program. Then I'll bring the topic for next week. Near movie on. So that is why we do mainly for discussions of topics and stuff like that. Also, I think A class another chat better your friend is a chat room better honum, and that one is for specifically say if any question concerning startup saying we have issues with the app, and I say be our question be concerning startups and I say app, and I say be even topic I discuss if you want to talk about discuss it now concerning like with resource personals now, and also will be there like very much a please HITV chat room. Eric Mefros is here akosiaka any ajis as abonishes aka home and okay now you will call not for the Yakofa way a friend to say Eric Mr. say on mute to now if the question I want on the photo honum am I why Mr. Eric unmute yourself. Eric, I think say it's Eric, I'm not sure if I'm not mistaken.
Hello.
Yeah, Eric, yeah, someone can. Hello. Pacho, but do nature baby out free.
But your friend me Eric, I'm not sure send you can.
Yeah,
Now me drive it.
Eric, me Pacho hold on my why Mr. Obi pen the number no. Mr. My Millicent, Mr. Bobo number nibium. Producer bit me the lower third not to so my now what who number was so was Eric is speaking Into Eric kasa yetio.
Me bacha na me driving to na pen my paper be in fact me who say more me pon school amepa. Me who say WFG. In fact, Manije Papa. Your friend me cannot because every South Carolina. Me bacha as some Mrs. Sabekano. 100% true. As I say, Ghana for Upia de Nahujim. Now me a living testimony. Saturday, I me a producer. Saturday, my wife. Aqua be a passing a test Saturday, yay. In fact, sika me pia free mono. Me jiska wo me se me pay. Then say I for Champions Board na e Dallas na me ho. Then say free Hawaii aba. In fact, said the idea ni see no. Me hu the way I mesi aka because of momre ni ntino. Enti obi bia o tie me sister no. Me tia dance here people. See I me one bit about 15,000 policy. Me want almost 1.5 million coverage that I'm so US I say. In case of critical illness, chronic illness, terminal illness, me are covered.
Okay.
And mestre say will be fan hunjim because go farm me, at Dawson. Nanya like Apotoya Mutina I say yeah, to mananya time mount on that pension, not for retirement in term, let do breast wabba. That's a pie, I'm sure my sister. That's a pie.
Thank you too.
Before some make any comment to that, no. Now yeah, number in the dash so the 937-321-2270 and I said 937-270-9882. Producer so the number the better chat room honum no. Na obi biaro here biano so apeke. To the Millicent, let me ask this question. So is it like a network with group of people from different places and because the way I ever came, so I don't know if you want North Carolina no. So it looks like say and also you probably pretty much doing the same thing that you are doing. It's like
you what the same but as one said, Senior America said, maybe I'm a my recruit to be Texas. Ejuma nkofo aye ejuma na yeso. Edwuma ne dɔɔso. Yɛnyɛ nipa bɛyɛ sɛ ahe biara ni. Enti yɛgu so a yɛrekeka nti baabi a wɔ biara no wobɛtumi ayɛ adwuma no bi.
Okay.
Sɛ wowɔ US anaa Canada. Nti meme wɔ ha ɔno nso wɔ North Carolina yɛn nyinaa na South Carolina yɛn nyinaa wɔ bi a yɛ the same adwuma no.
Okay. Yeah, Baba, also the question be by Mr. If you're ready to speak now, Mr. If Odo Sato Shrodema, you better on mute too now Kasawa, Mr. Please let us know if you're ready to speak. And I say if the question so about now, Mr. A buffer me this one, the question the brevium na Mr. So and kind amount Yenya Diana Yabuabua just to be respond Yenya Bano. And I'm glad to say thank you, sis. Irene Fosusi just got here. Can we know where she is and her schedule to know when to call, please? I'm pretty sure it's a number now. Or they are so the old message now. You guys can know, but also the Bema so actually when you guys can call her and also where she is at the moment. You know. Can you tell everybody where you are at the moment and also know what the schedules of meeting that from? Now be okay. Come on.
At the moment, me wɔ Ohio, but you can call anytime.
Okay.
O friend na manfa crowd they text me na ka say from HRT me who say this is where me who.
No, I'm afraid say I'm about time with startups and so no mobile. Was there any discount I'll be nyam them mana?
Me patcho there.
Oh, there be
You
say.
need we need discount. Say company no one BBA had been laid out already. Unless say ABR say senior maker say course no is 199. So what person we are within a short period. You betumi aboa wo bibia opɛ sɛ woyɛ bia no yɛ no a time no wɔ hɔ sɛ wo betumi aboa wo ama wayɛ na I reduce so saa 199 na kosi $30 amount.
Okay. Okay, that's it. Yenya Bema Richard Emisa says, sorry I missed much of this, but a little off topic. Can your team in the future talk about retirement strategies for non-immigrants who plan to retire back home? I think most of the current strategies, example 401k, IRA, etc., are more skewed towards retirement in the US. I think that this is the same question Obibu said earlier, right? And I think that it looks like it's getting attention. To know, is that something that you guys can look into?
Yeah, so what to me the year presentation the year so because of time. But what to me the year bookie one-on-one obehu sɛ nyama na wabobɔ wo nyinaa no. You bet me the work go through one at a time. Ama at the end, no, ubehu the right thing to do. Say.
It's what I said. There's a way out to get it done.
Yes,
Okay.
yes,
All right.
yes.
Okay.
Once I what can I say?
I
very big one.
I bedroom.
Kind of bro from wins me.
Hi bedroom. But I was about why is lawyers? Won't come in our one day.
Yeah.
Me patron number non any editor so do I'm also a projected number ni biom. The mobile numbers in here 937-321-2270 and I said 937-270-9882. Way if you nyaba akosia kanana ebusa. Ana yeko YouTube yenya Joe Dankwa say thank you very much, mom. It looks like say be onimo because the way our address was mom non. Into no way if you Jordan kwa honum our YouTube. Ebusia for say if Obia ready so Bekasa na Obi on beauty no please let us know. At least we have some time. And also don't know say if Oba late and I say yeah you want to revisit this beautiful presentation now or call Facebook Tataps and Ghana HRTV or Facebook or call your Facebook pages now. It's streaming live over there now and it'll be there for you to go back and revisit. So also now I'll call YouTube at HRTV. Meka kofa yemyaba Cecilia Amankwa. Auntie Cici, Mr. Omito Hona, what's our question why?
Came Pacha Medasi. If I can person be sent to Millicent.
Auntie Cici, who baby our fear?
Oh, okay. It's New York.
New York. Auntie
Bronze
Cici, ATO. I say bronze to be precise. Is it bronze for your crew?
Person me who say WFG for Yari Ben Sana se uwa now apply or more and farmer one that's unqualified.
Very good question.
Obia ne de on say yenye doctor for ni nti no ye di tu mo a ne omo beka obi wo ho question a good question we bisa me auntie wo Columbus me before I beba line so I see mate say yes wo blood pressure ye mfa de yi ma wo enti ade na wo de ba betu mu no mele unim say anya ade a me nsa beka jayo na say amakoma akora ebo ena me say adi tobo obiya ne ne de me make say be maame diabetic be maame nso wo high blood pressure but wo be enti won say wo de kotum a obiya ne de
Oh, it is like you guys like the brokers, right? It's a
yes
money clients in the casa. Number broken it off to the companies now. They told so initially,
yes
Prudential, Fidelity, Nationwide.
enti
No,
omo
no,
no
no,
mo di
pardon, no, I
term
pick it.
yeah enti now omo no mo di term because ebia wo be minimum being so or ye diabetic me de atuma ya deny enti obiya ne ne de enti me to me kan kira say wo wa yade we dia ya kate wo off ebia wo be no ebia na wo yare no wo maintain no ebia wo yare na che ebia enti no medical part na ye ndi term ma wo bi application ye free enti no wo ya na ye the application to mu ma wa omo na omo be the term but senior ye bra ne kan ye no one say because your fears say limitation be down or yare we dey yemfa ma okra me dey minim say wunya I can't remember say me you be the same me you be obi dey to mu ma no me and me ya ma na nkasa no ya ne also into me am tell me say kai then I want me we wasting me time but wo make your catching is pa ba because untumi mbu nipa na bem wonim ne yeye no wonim ne condition nya na obe de temo ne nyama onde ma me ne endorse to extend say menim say enye adwuma nipa ne nso we free military mo I mean she had been in the military for years and now we free mo enti menim say oh emfa but trust me I was shocked
FIA
me see I was screaming like wow
so you see
Because the reason why I need this way, I was part of it. The WFG, I've been to their conferences in Vegas and Texas, and I was interested to do it. Me register. I even have the registered number, but I didn't write for the exams. Until me try some year policy because once I want to be kokasa, you need to convince. Me come for no so. Send me pane beji atum pano. Talkers and easy. So I needed to do the policy for myself. Then I will use it as an example to talk to people for them to also join. They denied it. So my friend, maybe me nipa na already or introducing me into it. Not so name the reason why omo deny. But you bet me I can say men friend before that, and so beside me, said, yeah, me were so I know say I'm anemic. That's the only thing I know. But unfortunately, no, yeah, the application is to a call for health racing. That is why where they deny me. And after now, I even write back to them, say, Omo explaining that was Trans America. Omo explaining the reason why Omo deny me. They never responded after I'm talking to you. So I also lost interest in it.
What say obia de ye different say na me papa ya deny no but eno nche say me stop e wo ho say ya because wa say won so when it is okay me wo we say na me explain it two or three scenarios e de ma wo no enye one say me kasa no ma mo yidin ma mbo WFDB edin e wa because enye omo ne company no enti ma mo omudin companies be brain a yedi omo once a wo bo Trans America de Nationwide wo ho Fidelity wo ho Alliance wo ho Chrome wo ho edwuma ne bebre edin wo ho enti no obia ne de enko
All right.
senior waka no I think so wo me na ma mehwehwe mu ama wo anka na e wo say agent na ne will go through me wo obi a ya deny no akora ketewa ye no ene ye deny no ɛna yɛayɛ se yɛayɛ di awerɛho sɛ ade nti na akora ketewa yi yɛde no ne yɛnte aseɛ twee nyɛ akora no enti yɛyɛ busua enti no yɛsi okay I mean out of curiosity let's go check what is going on sɛnea woka yɛfrɛ no ɛna ɔmo si yɛbɛsɛne mu email enti no wo agent no we should have received an email yɛkyerɛ ne sɛ adeɛ wei nti ɛna yɛamfa amma nipa no yɛn deny without kurom ha bibia bɛyɛ bia yɛn deny te sɛ sɛbi yɛ kurom a obi bɛka kyerɛ wo sɛ wei nti ma memfa ma yɛmma wo explanation enti sɛ wopɛ sɛ ebia yɛmfa ne sɛ yɛ deny memfa yɛ ayɛ deɛ yɛma example yɛ deny na me call back no parent ne ka kyerɛ sɛ no me ba ne sua no na ebia bibi saa menim sɛ yɛde bibi saa ato ne so ɛna me sɛ ne kɔ doctor no wɔ na kɔgye ɔde kɔgye baayɛ no yɛde ama no enti obia ne ne case mepɛ sɛ wogye me nama we will help you out sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a ubenya but ɛno nso nkyerɛ sɛ wo a nyankopɔn ayɛ w'adom a wokita license a wobɛtumi yɛhu ne sɛ ɛyɛ adwuma na meyɛ but wɔn sɛ mehyɛ aseɛ wɔ ha na meka sɛ HRTV ɛgye nipa nkwa yɛmfa ne sɛ obi me sɛ a me no wo kasa yi me wɔ fine insurance ɛna owuiɛ me any me kunu has to come out almost 20,000 yɛde bɛsie me wɔfa recently ya me try sɛ meyɛ bi ama no wenyini ɛna ɔkɔtetɔɔyɛ nti ɔno nko ana ɔte ɔno nso wɔn sɛ mpanimfoɔ de oduru baabi ɔsɛ me nko ametena metumi ayɛ mbibia ɔtetɔɔyɛ no ɔmo ntumi ankɔyɛ lab ɛna ɔkɔda hospital ɔbaa back no wentumi amba back he stayed there I mean it was critical 2 to 3 months later ɛna owuiɛ wenya yade na me pese me de mia me de yɛ example me maka sɛ me maame wo bi ɔyɛ diabetic ɔsan so high blood pressure me papa ni bi me still me fight sɛ ɔbɛnya bi because me nim sɛ ɔwɔ yare wɔ but ɛno nkyɛ sɛ me mfa ntomu ma no yɛwɔ different options ɛde ba no enti me
wobɛtumi try different company they all fall within WFG
they obiara ne ne deɛ obiara ne ne deɛ wɔn sɛ mambo company ne din bio obiara ne ne deɛ a ɔbɛyɛ me woyɛ Transamerica wanyɛ other companies ehu nti wontumi mfa baako deɛ enware obiara sɛ because ya deny me wɔ ha ya ama me explanation usually ɔmo send letter ne brɛ wa ɔmo ka kyerɛ sɛ ABCD nti ɛna ya mfa ma nti wo nso wo free sɛ ABCD amo kan eni me hu anaasɛ eni suro ɛwɔ form eni sɛ you can go back and say hey doctor me koyɛ adeɛ we ne yɛ de abrɛ me ɛno nso ebi ni me hu enti no anaasɛ me deɛ ne yɛ lower chain ne ɔmo ka no enti monge anaasɛ wo agent no should have try for you say hey yɛnkɔ company we sɛ Transamerica nyɛ adwuma a nationwide wɔ hɔ ti sɛ me sɛ obi bɛyɛ na minim sɛ okay ɔwɔ yare yɛmfa ne sɛ me maame deɛ mankɔ Transamerica because minim sɛ nationwide ɔmo dwo kakra ɛkyɛn we sɛ ayɛ sɛ obiara wotɔn adeɛ a obiara nim ti sɛ wokita sika wonim sɛ wokɔtɔ adeɛ ɛwɔ ebi a minim baby a mo ba yɛ ayɛ ti Ohio wokɔ Kroger board nkyɛn Walmart anaasɛ wokɔ dollar store but the same product na wobɛnya wɔ those 3 stores no but the quality no so what you say nti obiara ne deɛ wobɛtumi aka sɛ weitin mu nyɛ den kakra yɛ linen kakra na wakɔ but coverage no ne nyama a wobɛnya no wobɛnya ne nyinaa nso efiri hɔ wobɛnya bibia omuka nti mesrɛ sɛ Madam Cecilia sɛ wogye yɛ nama na yɛbɛtumi aboa wo na yɛhwɛ etumi ama wenya o policy no.
Okay, number no cry demand say I think say yenya ba Esther so ebusa into the producer better post it again in the chat room. But may highlight number no I will screen it so for those that are watching to get the number again, and I'll also repeat the number. No obia at the number no. Number no 937-321-2270 937-270-9882. I can't invest 20 minutes near sorry Jimmy so and if we still have room for questions for people to ask. Sorry, my friend Chami. Bema Dana Benito is also busa questions a bit my join. I think say about Diana no catch and say they be but because I don't know Ghana and also who say more campaign and can people join from Ghana. I think say about Diana so no that side into the Patrick, before for another question, Mr. Or before for another question, for question the brand for the no answer. Whilst we have it here, no. Now, whilst we're waiting for another person to come up with a question, I got something from what you were saying concerning say, okay, into so kunya agent biya, only abadaya na se tema na botra na oka wo situation chira na obetuma ka say on baby, you be dey now until kraminya ho adaje ko. So then that would be a chance. One ma ebia nanka or two guma company be bit my then aso nanka wa working you through into the I think so I got that from because ebia krapa if I was in your shoes now, like you said, you listed all that number of winner. Wabembe busa we card the emfa into no. Let me just go ahead and so I think so I got something from them. I think so that is what you represent. And it has kind of given us a different highlight about you. Say unyo bia sebi Ubuni pa bonfia na se bia we mu concerning say way better way in far into the no. I'm always looking for the clean ones. So you spend the time with the person because the good thing is that you're also making it more marketable for yourself because maybe ya wan fa ya hu kwan ya fa so treating ya betimi akoko che ya na ya aba be join so it's not a bad way to actually go about it at all. Maybe so for a question for be one ma Mr. Momo Fambra say being you also there you bet me sorry Jumediano so in time in there. But a question for fun, we still have 18 minutes to wrap up into no. We still have room for more questions for that into the Mr. I'm say Zoom so there it will be brain into no Nipa best 70 at one point into no. Prince Mr. Unmute yourself and tell us where you're calling from and your question.
Yeah.
Yes. Yeah.
I believe someone to menka. Yeah. The Nuabana Sibibre. And yet question na me bisa nemo meye and crash and I me pesa me this share Yenuana my wall line so Pempe brain Ghana for ye tire a motor. Ye bayan and ye bayan or na me what personal testimony. Uno be beye juma many a brante be juma brante kama in his youthful age around 32 33 yakwa juma the day he was good. The next morning a friend so yari into to me ma not knowing said that night stroke a young guy and oni and siachi babia e boano sa ade ya me nua bae de ba me ankasa me so me will be for myself and me encourage you be as a yenyiska oko hwe se wo be qualifier companies need also the BFG no any company is just a platform all the companies in the world so omnium ye jumanti se company A amfa ebiana B atumi afa intent na ho man too late unfie no so mu no na asabio wo risk and so cost nti obetua no so be cost
like you said in BB everything so be bomb along the line
me call offline kakra but minim so ka about $1 million baby o back to our one cry no o shase ediniche mo a entosa cry no do so college na de you don't have to pay man no your friend is
beginning no kind she brought it up in the beginning
very good and my entwem mother bonin into your answer bible say ka obofo wo mranti breman sana da bonin na dru ene ya wo ahoden a otimi koba no yensie bibi na ochena bi no se amane bi tu yen a enye se wawu nko a ebi kwa na udan ka covid ba ye me were experience with a lot of people they were late but through this policies no omutimi ko withdraw money to pay their mortgage until so omujina omunai so and there were a lot of advantages so one-on-one I believe so be church omu ni nyina ma yen tenase ne ya no just call, find out, so qualify and I don't qualify. You don't pay anything, you don't lose anything. When you qualify, they will tell you how much you have to contribute, how much you want, and it's gonna help you. A compound interest. Each and
Okay.
every, a compounded. So one would take compound interest as yeah. Albert Einstein kind of said those who understand it enjoy it. Those who do not know, no, they will pay
They pay for it.
they'll pay
Yeah.
for it for the rest of their
All
lives.
right.
And
Yeah, that
please
was it.
go for it, and it's gonna help.
Yeah,
Thank
that
you.
was it. Thank you very much. There's a question
Yes.
from Prince, and after that, there's a new question that just dropped. It's a Yenya president, quick. Prince also says, is there any history behind this particular life insurance?
History to say then if so bet me clear. Said everything there is history
Yeah.
attached.
So Prince, can you just give us details? Say, are you talking about the history, as in say the background of the life insurance, and as a history, say be a incident, be a in past incidents, be a now. So elaborate a little bit and let us know what you mean. If you
Yeah.
want to know the background of the life insurance and maybe to read more about it, and I say be a, if there's a past incident, be a Dinah say no before Dinah wisdom Kofi say. So what is the minimum amount you can start with, or what is the total package?
Oh, so offer me we can do one-on-one and see what will work for him.
Because it's a little bit complex, right?
Yes.
And I say tailored to specific needs and demands depending on what they want, right?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. All right. Dinah say, please, I'm an agent. Can I get the host number to talk one-on-one? Apache said one, and I said me. I want to understand what she meant by the host number. No. So me say she's talking about what me host one. I said me and me your host on the show, no, to talk.
Mm-hmm.
What I don't know if say maybe she's trying to have a conversation with you one-on-one to get some mentorship and not be a baby. So Diana, if you wait to me respond. Oh, okay. So she's talking about me. Okay, all right. And Diana say it depends on your age too. All right. Diana, producer be message you privately now. Your friend is saying yakasawai. Yeah, that's it. All right. Any more question? Any more question? Me pacho say or question. For be wa hodoma Miss Ramo. My family, 13 minutes now. Sorry, Jimmy. So, and I'm very enthused about how our questions in the air, but no. It's sure Obiane voice will be heard again. Like I said, if you already asked the question, not say me who ya, please repeat it again. YouTube for ne Zoom there. Me more questions to one say to know. I'm gonna go to Facebook and see if we can have something over there. But if there's anything else you want to add to it, whilst we are here now, me patch or Miss Millicent to be team there my way.
Sanya Brad Prince ne kasa ye no. Obi bakasa adenti ne ye kɔ around and ye keka we go find me. Sanya told me no. Stories ni de ye kan bebre. Sanya told me ne mpese bi betu obi. Ese onipa efrimu yaka kyerɛ sɛ yɛma up to this certain time. Sɛ woamfa sika no amma a yɛma wo mbɛfa bɔde no. Na wote ha wo calculate bi sɛ mede sika bi to hɔ na sɛ asemesi wu a ɛwɔ sɛ mede kɔsie no. I don't think so obi yɛ bi wɔ ha sɛ enti na yɛdi kan prepare sɛ yɛ avoid GoFundMe. Sɛsi a ɛbɛduru baby no wokɔbisa wɔ bi biribi a ɔbɛbisa sɛ nti adeɛ no aba no a yɛbɔ ho dawuro no nti wodeɛ wontii bi anaa ɛna wontumi nka me deɛ menteeɛ bebiaa bi yɛbɔ ho dawuro nti ne yɛnenam like yɛkɔ state to state yɛgu so a yɛreka ho asɛm sɛnea ɛbɛyɛ a obiaa bɛte na wankɔgye sɛ woyɛ ketekete koraa mpo a ɛbɛtumi aboa wo meka ketekete oyɛ ma yɛde obi yɛ mpaebɔ ɛna yɛka kyerɛ no so sister yɛbɔ adeɛ ho dawuro sɛ deebi wodeɛ mo ntwɛn na yɛkyerɛ ne yɛayɛ kyɛ sɛ yɛyɛ ho bia nti ɛduru baabi no yɛsɛ o adeɛ wei deɛ wontumi nkyekyerɛ obɛku wode no aka na ɔse wɔnyɛ a ɔse ma me mmerɛ ma me 2 weeks ma me 1 month menyim ɛna sister no nyame yɛ n'adom ɛna ɔkɔwoo yɛbaayɛ bibia bɛhu asɛ sister yi na ɛyare obi ɔwɔ ahoɔden young girl na ɛwɔ sɛ yɛde no go find me na ɔmo pɛ 25,000 at that time the catching is only 50,000 bill. See there be 5,000 and 25,000 and no more pay. And no kasa young kasa personally you command $500. The whole GoFundMe on ya and 2,002. Nanka sika wodi behye mu endu saa sika na woko gina bisa no. Nanka saa 50,000 no. Omo nkosre. Ena minim se enye obi a na opese okogina obi enim epa so anase mo kan say otie story ni your sister one mantem. Yes. Video komo obi. Oh, bibi esi ewo baby ana sometimes you call be catcher and say, oh, me, I mean, that one of the funniest I say, me, yeah. I mean, that should even tell you, say, a year now, and anything can happen.
Yeah.
And you know, this is the time. I was say, your boy, your boy, Bushiano, your ma, na brand $1 million baby, ya shall say, you can't was him. Wa when ya koso, minimum crime, nipa mienu a omuntumi nya grant ne fanko school oma ye bibia pepepe but ya by penin ni obetena aso pe dream nyame nyina asesa nkra mienu omuntumi nko enti se wawofo wo ho no wa ya ade we bia ma wa ade na wo kotwen grant ansa na ode akọ school me onse obi ka say or your living testimony or will be obebisa say me will be yes me will be bebre kwa me to me nkenkan dodo a me wo me nyina will be me first born I was student law me a me tie me was student law me twia me kunu twia student law but me baba akọ nursing school on the ka 1 cent kra on the ka because ono anya say yenye wo ho a ye be yi bi di abo ano enti no eyade a enye obi say ena wo de ye one on one na opese buhu policies dodo a me wa metumi ayi akire wo ayesa ahaye kwan metumi ayi bebre akire wo ena wo we adwuma nso a wa bie adwuma wo kurom ho a bo adwuma no ho ban enye se liability insurance a wagye ato wo adwuma no so ena ebo wo ho ban nyama bebre wo ho a ye betumi akire wo ha ebebo wo ho ban.
Okay. That's here by Millicent. Prince Owusu say, or no, Patrick said the background of this particular life insurance, you know. It's a bit a lot of background, how probably it came about, and if it's already there. Because
it's already there.
Because I remember said the first time I know they made the home come and you were telling me say this is something that was being happening among like the rich for a very long time now. Not any decide to say will be open code, you know, say okay, right now we all can tap into that life insurance.
About that. Yeah, I had to say everything it takes one person to discover. Senior yeti ha won say ye sha say do baby make say me go school no na maybe we me bachelor's at that time no yeah ka say you could just student lo bi ka kire me say no yi ono de on deka because onana ayebi enti hwe say broni a ne nana wewu that was years ago about 7-8 years ago na me bachelor's na ne nana ewu says I don't ne nana ba wewu waye bia ma no atwea ne school fees nyina ne tuition ne college ne nya wie amana so imagine how many years ade we awo ho but wo ba kromu afoforo na wunim the basic unimu na unim anase say ye dikan a ye kire mu no baby a wo ba wo kotena ye no se wo ye ba ye na ye kotena baby pa excuse my French me ye ba ye na ye te Chicago na me wo fa frɛ ya wo to ye fo or say Millicent mama tena I'm going to tell you you don't fucked up before you grow before you fucked up meaning say unko ye bibi a wo sei for the rest of your life no ebe hante wo ene we nyine ewie na kakakra be wu ko ye bibi ene wonim se wo wu ewie enti na hante wo enti me ba ye na ono nso a me ka say na owo life insurance anko be bie ni so a kire me e den na o kire me say as much as I be
any mistake be answer na as about friends when
yes o kire me say Millicent wo kromu a ye wan kasa wo business enu na ebeboa because me beto say oni truck business and all of that enti me nso ade a me betena wo hu ye no as much as amako school no baby eduma because enu na me hu say me wo fa ye den oye
okay
aboa no enti no baby a betena nso ema impact there's a lot of history enti no Say,
Right.
upe say
Quick
yakasa
quick
mo
one
nso.
from Esther. Or say age limit. Or so what is the age limit again?
Ah, I think
Dinah Bia, no, say there's no age limit because what
there
can
you
say apply
go.
I want in their crowd. But I wanted you to just, come from you. Okay. You know about Millicent, yeah, that was it. Say, your tons of free, what to be buying now, be boama, adwumede no course come out menim say dodo na so be message wo afra wo back door na afedie o matimi e de omo ho ahyem amanye omo nkwa ba omo so omo busuafo ne omo ma no matimi atoto policies ni bia ma because menim kofo bebra around me omo ato policies ni bia they are doing very well with it youngsters so no ye will be one ma ye dey support kakranka intini da wase pa nyankopon koso nhira wo ye be ma director aba be sign wo out na afedie but before the director aba be sign out no me kai obi biara se nyame bo next week topic a ye be treat financial planning budgeting and saving tips for families not just say akunta bo ho your friend is saying ofa adwene a efa akunta bo ho na ye hwe kwan a be fa so etime sie sika ama ebusua enyina nti no we will be more very profitable for awarefo or so among warriors so by no more ebia partners ne your friend say emma a woman na so mukro mu di ma crampo no na adachi bia they are planning to have a friend say families very good. Sometimes it's good to plan before you feel it's always good to plan before you feel rather than say we'll be failure and so start this or planning I think they kind of go hand in hand with what you know by Millicent I'm going to say the BM topic for next week year financial planning budgeting and saving tips for families and then you be treaty now a BM no say unim any resource person who can treat the topic now, please let us know. Let the resource person come on board. We'll talk to them, get with them, and make sure say everything is good. And also, don't know, we even though we have our resource personnel, so don't know, we are always taking in more resource personnel. So please, if you know any resource personnel now, let us know. Then we'll just put it up into your friend to say a better way your friend is saying your coffees but they will just take it from there Miss Remo producer met me the startup send platform no so aba I'm to chat room on my now I'm for so I join here no startup send platform no like I said if you want to talk about anything concerning startup send discuss even basically whatever you want to talk about be concerning startups and now say be questions be please put it over there and also if you wanted to help us discuss topics that we want to deal with the show this is please HITV platform this is what producer Mr. Tifa tuning in to so my na a class that's a class that so it's a show one like a class that so on the patch or click so they could join it's okay to join both of them because like I said one of them is running with startup saying all issues and questions and concerns which you might be delay after and one of them is just to discuss the topics now you be treated what Adam said it's okay to join both of them so please click it so no joining in na fedie yendi komo na bibia enye kama director say the one A class and I said director in A class no betimi abomode na matimi asanya jenwa banama yenwa bema na Nicole was say excellent job the startup team that was say to no director Mr. Sanya yenwa ba Millicent MIY
Mami Millicent, I think from the camp of Tap Taps Send, yeah, that was a par for the immense knowledge you've bestowed on us. Yeah, that was it. I wish to say I'll be baby and I to see our become Busian one day, not just say Yamo Wakunya, until any time be up a so baby and only PK can wabetem yɛ deɛ ready see a bit mu abusuafo a mo ha nso sɛ mo ɛnyɛ tap tap a we mu benya we nyinaa wɔ hefa nti yɛsrɛ mo as much as yɛn nyinaa yɛ show your thanksgiving for that great your friend is say information or the ama yɛn no mo nso mo spread it news no na mo reach out in case ɛwɔ biribiara more reach out na wokɔ one on one I think obetumi anya adagye ama mo nyinaa nti maame Millicent yɛda wase paa tie
Thank
ne
you.
all right Ebusia for Mr. Emamu Mfi page in so Emamu Mfi so Sabre you do the Q&A section that like I said the third segment that we have the Q&A session for startups and yenya Uncle Jimmy Eddie ebe leading through the Q&A session for startups and whereby any issues or not concern bia e wo bia for startups and bia no no into ne patro yempon ye Emamu nko munyina so na fe de ndi dwumede na bebia enye kama. So Uncle Jimmy ni honom na say A class ebetimi take it from here A class ebetimi Uncle Jimmy wadom Uncle Jimmy wo me ho Uncle Jimmy intima mute o maybe fontino la kan amamu mfi so producer Mr. highlight startups and chat room this so MIN na for enko joining no as well. Yadamasi bebre moso for HRPK his royal freshness PK me na meeting egwemu ene ene mo twekuba kama das ne bese so asia wan se bisrew kache wo nua ne obusu afo no adofo nyina na yes sign out e wo Facebook ne YouTube na make nyanse yakopon hira baby bia wo bia onton hira bosu kese gu so ene wa brabo so na das ne ebesa so ese share biom misrew ya pon so yampon ye ya pon e wo YouTube ni Facebook no ba me say YouTube ni Facebook phone nyina click on link na wo social media nyina so zoom link no na bra zoom na fe there yen discuss startups even if you have any suggestion how to make startups even better, how to even make startups move from one state to another state, how to make startups expand its territories na the tentacles na please brand yen this anko one one I'm saying to Mr. Mo Facebook no zoom nyina before you best anya no when you click on Zoom link. No, the Zoom link is on Startups and platform, is on HRTV platform. Into the Mr. Momunina Mombra, na fidye Bibia and your kama. Munko your Facebook, Abenya Zoom link no honum, and all different types of broadcasts they are sending to as well as links there. They to so no the Zoom links are there. Into Mr. Mo Facebook ne pono na more about that side nye di jumedi na ekaba kama. Idama say as that case koba producer directors na Lord akwesi ana Danny ana A class. And amongst us, I'm